Hi everyone, I'm very excited to introduce the new Go Live release with some new features. The first one is the scheduling environment panel. When you execute the scheduling quick setup, we are going to create automatically a panel that will be displayed here, which is the scheduling panel. Here it appears at the first position. And from here, you can very easily plan booking, changes, and blackouts on your environment. So you just drag and drop. Let's say we want to make a new demo. I want the exclusivity on the environment. I create the Jira ticket and it's added here. So of course, it's completely synchronized with the other timelines that you may be using. But from here, directly from the environment details, you can also schedule and plan activities. If I refresh it, I see that now it has been approved. So that was the first news. The second one is the calendar list revamp. So we did a great job here. I mean, my team did a great job in order to improve the scheduling of the different events. So as you can see from here, now you can take the whole calendar in order to drag and drop on the timeline and create the different events. Before, if you remember, when you clicked on it, it opened, so it was not really clear. Now, in order to edit or view the configuration of the calendar, you have to go here, and you can either create an event, so it's the same effect than clicking on the calendar. You can also view, edit the configuration as before, and you can remove the calendar from the timeline or delete it completely. What we did as well was to add that small toggle here in order to show or hide the calendar on the timeline. So that was probably better than clicking on the square that was not really clear. So thanks for your feedback. We have improved and we hope you will enjoy this new user experience. So there is a bit of explanation here if you want more details. Then we have the GitHub Actions. So those are two new GitHub Actions that we are delivered. And I would advise to open the GitHub Actions documentation if you want to learn more about it. So basically, there are two new GitHub Actions that you can add on your GitHub pipeline so that automatically information about your environments and about your releases can be sent to Jira and Go Live. You can also create new Jira version, link them with the Jira tickets that have been delivered based on the commit messages, etc. So I let you discover more information here. And of course, you can get also some information from the GitHub Marketplace where we have published those actions. That was for the new GitHub Actions. Last one is some get started improvements, and it looks like this. So as you remember, there were like different steps, but we understood that not everyone understood that they had to do something. So that's why now when you click on the step, you get a video of me explaining how you can implement, for instance, here the environment attributes. You have the text under it explaining you what are the main information to know before starting configuring. You have the link to do your job, in that case, configuring the environment attributes. And then you can come back here, and as soon as it's okay, you can click on done. And then the tick, the step is ticked. For some of them, for instance, for the environment dependencies, you have also the possibility to click on not applicable. If you think that in your case, it does not make sense to configure environment dependencies, just click like that, click on not applicable, and then the step will be grayed out. So that's all for that release. I wish all of you a great summer. I think the next release will come probably in the middle of August, and enjoy the summer. Thanks for watching. Bye.